Imagine a city where giant bats swoop overhead at dusk, subtropical beaches hide just an hour away, and the locals casually kayak past skyscrapers like it's no big deal. Now imagine skipping it, because everyone told you to go to Sydney instead. Brisbane is the sleeper hit of Australia. The laid-back, sun-drenched middle sibling, less chaotic than Sydney, less hipster than Melbourne, and quietly stealing the spotlight. But here's the catch. Most tourists blow right past it. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we'll show you rooftop koalas, street art jungles, and a floating beach in the middle of the city. Let's kick it off where Brisbane flexes hard. South Bank. You heard right. Brisbane has a literal man-made beach smack in the middle of downtown. It's called Streets Beach, and it's got white sand, palm trees, and a skyline view that screams, yes, this is real. You can go from a dip in the lagoon to grabbing gourmet dumplings, all within 100 meters. And at night, the ferry lights flicker over the bougainvillea-covered arbor like a scene out of a tropical rom-com. Locals picnic here. Tourists wonder if they're dreaming. You? You're getting content for days. Not content with admiring a bridge from below? Cool. Brisbane says, why don't you climb it instead? The Story Bridge Adventure Climb is like the Sydney Harbour Bridge's lesser-known, less crowded cousin, with arguably better views. You'll get a 360-degree panorama over the Brisbane River, the Glasshouse Mountains, and the Gold Coast hinterland. Bonus: you feel like an action hero without having to rappel off anything. No training montage required. Forget traffic. Forget timetables. Jump on the CityCat ferry, Brisbane's best-kept local secret. This isn't your average transport. It's a breezy, scenic river cruise disguised as a commute. Glide past riverside mansions, under modern art bridges, and right into the heart of the city. And yes, it's part of the public transport system, so you'll feel like a budget-savvy genius. Want to feel like you're in a Bond movie but on a backpacker budget? Head to Moreton Island, just 75 minutes by ferry. Here's the setup. A rusted shipwreck reef you can snorkel through. Massive sand dunes you can throw yourself down on a waxed board. Wild dolphins that might let you hand feed them. It's like nature said, let's go all in, and Brisbane said, cool, we'll keep this just offshore. You came to Australia. You want to see a koala. But Brisbane one-ups that. At Lone Pine Koala Sanctuary, not only can you see them, but you can legally hug them, cradle them like a sleepy eucalyptus-scented toddler. Then move on to hand-feed kangaroos, watch sheepdogs do backflips, not literally, but close, and get swooped by giant parrots with zero chill. It's wildly Australian, in the best way. When the sun sets, the real Brisbane wakes up, and it starts in Fortitude Valley. Think rooftop bars with drag bingo, basement jazz clubs, and more neon than a Blade Runner reboot. Wander down Brunswick Street, and you'll find street art alleys, pop-up speakeasies, and at least one band that should be famous. The valley is chaotic, weird, and absolutely irresistible. Ready to feel small in the best possible way? Head to Mount Coot-Tha Lookout. Just 15 minutes from downtown, this spot gives you a sweeping view of Brisbane's skyline, Snaking River, and beyond. Come at golden hour. Stay until the city lights blink on like someone flipped a switch. Then grab a drink at the Summit Cafe and toast to the fact that you didn't skip Brisbane. So here's the twist. Brisbane doesn't try to impress you. It just is impressive. Chill on the surface, wild underneath, and totally underrated. Now that you know what everyone else is missing, the real question is, will you be the traveler who breezes past Brisbane, or the one who stays and discovers its magic? And if you loved Brisbane's mix of culture and charm, don't miss our guide to the best things to do in Florence, Italy. where art, gelato, and riverfront strolls hit just as hard. The best adventures? They're often the ones nobody told you about. Until now.